We're two guys, and we're white. And this is an album of two white guys doing white noise. That's not to say that this is a racist album by any means. It just means that we're probably going to offend a lot of people along the way. The main goal here, though, is to be funny, and we think that you're going to enjoy this collection of consciousness thought if you're a fan of the podcast.
Go listen to Freedom Bill and the Longbeard Hour on YouTube.
As I was saying, if you're fans of the podcast, then you know what's in store. But a little precursor is always good. And we've always loved short introduction tracks on albums. So this is a send-up of a really good introduction track like Aurora Nova by Dan Fogelberg. And that shit Prit used to do before he wasn't singing about sex. And the synthesizer intro of Baba O'Reilly by The Who. Or as you uncultured bastards know it, Teenage Wasteland! So sit back and enjoy, and we hope you like it as much as we liked making it. So now we present to you White Noise. Please listen responsibly. We are not responsible for your reactions to the things you are about to hear. Please invest your time at your own risk.